So first of all, coffee. Right, so as I mentioned yesterday, I changed my mind. I changed the initial plan that I had because I wanted to see more of Dublin and I wanted to do something maybe like a history museum or something. There's the Epic Museum that's just next to the river and it looks really great. The building in itself looks really great and it seems to be very interactive and so on. So the Epic Museum is an emigration museum. So from what I understand, it's kind of like the reason for the massive Irish emigration and then the impact that it has all over the world on different aspects like music, sports, culture in general. EPIC, the Irish Emigration Museum, is an interactive journey that goes beyond the stereotypes to help you discover what it truly means to be Irish. You'll discover that what it means to be Irish expands far beyond the borders of Ireland through the stories of Irish immigrants who became scientists, politicians, poets, artists, and even outlaws all over the world. Already you can see like that's a big building. I need to show you like photos taken from above and some underground. The building in itself is quite epic. So that's so basically the ground floor is sort of a mall, so like you can just come in and see everything you want, and then the museum is downstairs, is in the cave, so that's really cool. So we've got a little passport and in each room we can stamp it. And there we go, we have number 2.
Preaching Irish, harsh. If you seek liberalization, we're in times of dark. My own country arrived.
It's harder than it looks.
Yeah, it's kind of working.
Kind of larger than life. And in Australia. And when Kelly turned.
Happy David for his opinion.
She could get Red back. She knew she could.
The castle is on the very edge of a terrific precipice.
So that's the outside. Meatball bar. Alright, so that was a very nice museum. It's a bit expensive, but I do recommend it. Especially the part that's about the past of Ireland. Very interesting. Alright, so that was nice. And it's now 1:15. So that bridge, it's the Sean O'Casey Bridge. Alright, I might cross on that baby. So now I'm on my way to the Archaeology Museum. So that's actually the National Irish Museum, and there are 4 departments. So I'm more interested in the archaeology. National Museum of Ireland Archaeology. Fantastic. And the entrance is right there, very nice. Vestiges archéologiques de l'âge du bronze, de l'ère viking et du Moyen Âge, et quelques objets égyptiens trouvés dans la région. Look at that. Oh, wonderful. Look at how beautiful the ground is. And even, especially there, actually. Look. Everywhere. Very beautiful. Even there. Look. Even that. Beautiful. And look at the ceiling. Very nice. Island's gold. Look at the floor there again. Very nice one under there. Look at that. That's an embroidery by Lily Yates. Very nice. Alright, so that was a very nice museum and it was free. So now it's 4:25, so I stayed like 2 hours, about 2 hours I think. So I do recommend doing this because it was very nice building too. It was free. And yeah, I'm not going to spoil it too much with too many images. If you're into archaeology, just go see it for yourself. But the building in itself was just very nice. Really like the tiles on the floor. So that was very beautiful. Now I feel like I just want to walk around a little bit in the streets and take some photos and film a little bit. And maybe also find some bookshops. I'm kind of conflicted because I don't want to spend too much money on more books. I already have so many books, and also it's going to take so much space to bring back in my bags, so I don't want to buy too many books. But on the other hand, there are a lot of books that I want to read in English, so I need to buy them in England or Ireland. I can't always find them in France, so I would like to find them. And books from like Joyce or is that unlike typical like Irish writers things that I might find more easily here in Dublin. So we'll see if I get some books. So very nice bookstore, Hodges and Figgis. Very nice. They were doing some construction work inside, well, so it was a bit of a mess, but very nice, very big. A lot of books. I actually got 4 books, which is not good. One by Yeats, a selection of poems, and 3 by James Joyce, because had 2, including the Dubliners, Ulysses, and third one. Because yeah, I had to. So now it's 5:40 and I'm on my way to buy some food for dinner tonight. That will be a total of 7 books bought in a week. I got dinner for tonight. The university again. What a beautiful weather today. Beautiful weather.